So Alpha, come closer. May you sit down well. Because this one what I want to talk about, so fee actually change your life and actually mean it. So sit down, may you observe this video. As we all know, now me Amospikins, the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they will me. When we talk the honest truth, or should I say, let's start with the honest truth. AI no be trend. No be social media noise. It is not even shiny new toy. AI na actually the new economic infrastructure of the world presently. Take it or leave it. If you like, argue it to tomorrow. They will leave you behind. Just the same way electricity changed the industry, yeah? Internet changed the businesses. Mobile phone changed communication, abi? AI go change who makes money and who doesn't. Walai. So that part 4, what I say make una guess. Na him be this and no be vibes. Now actually survivor guide for the intelligence age. Now I won't give you so. Now what I say make you sit down, make you observe. Many people think say to make money with AI means I must build the next ChatGPT. Who tell you? Leave that for the country level power proving. Permit me to use that term like that. China want go show say them too. They're good for AI. They go release free AI model. America they there. Nigeria too at that level. We supposed to come up with something, but story for another day. But you as an individual, no be until you build the next ChatGPT. Stay with me. More the reason and they go together. Because me and you never even get money to buy better system with your own model. So that would be completely wrong. History don't show something. During gold rush, no be miners make the most money. No. Now people we sell shovel, boots, food, even transport. Yes. Meaning two sellers feel probably underline win pass model builders. I dey tell you, even Africa, we don't need to build that GPT-6. No. We just need to build AI solutions for real African problems. Period. Because that's where the real problem they hide. Let me give you like 5 different ways people are making money with AI. No story. Just real matter. And actually, na real global patterns I want to show you so. Number 1, AI automation for businesses. I don't first explain who be automation engineer recently, abi? To me, this one are the fastest cash flow part, actually. Companies want customer support bots, yeah? Email reply automation, document processing, report generation, even WhatsApp assistants. And the nice thing be say, they're ready to pay. They go fit they pay you monthly subscription, even set up fees. You see, some people go if you even see they build them maintenance fee. You they see many areas to take cash out. And the truth be say, you don't need PhD. You don't even need university degree. You just only need to understand workflows. You need to know how to connect APIs. You need to know how to deploy solutions. If you know, say after this my video, you come serious with your life, you can't learn this thing, can't blow. Don't forget me. Now me they give you ideas. So this one alone fit build 6-figure incomes in dollars. I dey tell you, people I know them where they run this thing. So now why you need to put hand for your head every day? Holy Spirit, give me idea, give me idea. You need funny thing be say, if you are a true child of God, you don't even need to ask. Everything they come with the package. But let's move on. Number 2, vertical AI products. This one I feel call them the real gold actually. Because now this one the big money day. So instead of generic AI, yeah, you build AI for one industry. If you build AI for lawyers, AI for hospitals, AI for schools, AI for churches, like Pilbeam, for example. You see, AI for real estate, AI for agriculture. Because specialization actually equals to premium pricing. You see, generic chatbots will be like $20 per month. Industrial AI system, now like from $500 to like $5K per month. And they tell you, go check them. That's actually the difference. Number 3, AI-powered software, SaaS. I love this one so much because it's my area, yes? This one actually, I feel say this one are like maybe wealth building lane. If you want to say, you want to break out of that poverty, small. Now your lane be this. You create writing assistant, coding helpers, marketing generator, analytic boards. That's bots now. No dashboards for analytics dashboard. Even voice tools. Then charge subscription every month. Even 1,000 users so times $10. Think how much be that? Now like $10K per month. Think that's already bigger than many salaries. Number 4, AI service and consulting. Now they do this one too. This one good for starting immediately like na. So businesses are actually confused about AI in case you don't know. So many of them need guide. If you sell AI strategy, for example, or if you even say you want to do training for their staff, if you sell implementation of a kind of AI, the kind tools where they want. If you sell integration into systems, I notice the companies, they pay serious money for clarity in confusion. I dey tell you, just for them to understand better. And if you become first, for myself, I don't become AI consultant for Africa, then you fit become AI consultant for Africa too. If you reach your turn, put yourself for person back. Number 5, and I did this one too, content and education. This one, they give you long-term power. If you dey teach AI through YouTube, through courses, even boot camps, even books, communities, because if you help you build influence, how many of them won't be like Kagan tomorrow? That kind of thing, you see? If you give you authority, global audience, recurring income, you see? Because this one actually actually compounding power. Because you need to know, say, knowledge, they scale without limits. I tell you. Make I tell you one secret where I feel, say, the world never actually fully see. In my own opinion, though, Africa gets massive AI opportunity. Wallahi. Why? Because many systems here are still manual, still very inefficient, still paper-based, still very slow. Meaning AI impact here will be 10 times bigger than it was or is in the West. You see, Amabi? I don't mean West for Yoruba land, though. West like US and co. For example, healthcare. Figure AI for diagnostic support or maybe patient triage, for example. Even medical record summary. Something as simple as that you can even help them plug into it. Just plug small AI tool inside them. It will just summarize based on all the data. So huge need there and a huge market. For inside education, if you get AI tutor for like WAEC, JAMB, university courses, even coding training, because there are millions of students and that's massive scale. What of government and documents? If you get AI for form processing, for example, even for identity verification, fraud detection, you see am. To me, I feel say this one a $1 billion territory because na government matter. What of for local languages? Whoever build strong AI for Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, even Swahili. If you control the entire linguistic economy, let's put it like that. If it sound ordinary to you, this one no small, no go the reason no small at all. So let me try to tell you skills where go fit probably help you print money well in this AI age. Forget all those noise where they online. Number 1, problem solving with AI. I don't they talk and they come. I know me say you just the prompt to, no be that one they talk. Knowing which AI to use for which business problem or whatever. These things so what they talk, so you ought to say they common, but that skill is rare. I tell you, and very expensive. Number 2, building AI workflows, connecting LLMs, databases, APIs, user interfaces, all of them together. Now connecting it into a real product. You see, usable product. Oh, to me, I think this is where engineers become richer. Actually, become rich engineers. Then domain knowledge plus AI. Lawyer plus AI, very powerful. Doctor plus AI, powerful. Accountant plus AI, strong guy. Meaning future winners no be actually only coders. No. Coders even still get future like this because story for another day. Now people will combine AI with real world field. You see them? Then distribution. This is the most important part. Listen carefully, oh. Best product no they always win. Oh yes, you know that one abi. Now the product where people see now you actually win. So skills like marketing, storytelling, community building, audience growth, you see am abi, they now becomes technical advantage. Me already dey strong for here, so I know they fear. Someone talk to without fear. You know say some jobs go shrink very well because of this AI saga. Abi, some jobs go even change if you are lucky. Some will even disappear entirely. But the sweet thing about every change, I say new ones go reappear or new ones go appear. They even expand. They even pay more. History not just repetition. History just they repeat. Industrial revolution, factory jobs. You see internet revolution, software jobs. AI revolution, intelligence jobs. You see so that at the point I'm so that you go quickly, they know where to key in yourself very fast. with speed of light. So the question I want to ask you now for this video be say, you go resist the change or you go ride the wave early? Put it in the comment section what you think about this entire content, what you learn, and then what do you think, what will be your decision from now onward? Because hear this carefully. The next 10 years, the difference between rich and poor no go just be education, location, or background. It go mostly be access to intelligence tools. Period. So you see, say no be knowledge. AI don't dey blur that knowledge gap because anybody feel learn anything anywhere now from AI. But the access to the right tools, now it be the gold mine. You see, and people will understand AI early. Then go build companies, they go build platforms, then go build ecosystems, then go build wealth faster than any generation before. So from part 1 to part 4, we don't move from understanding AI to building AI to monetizing AI. That one so na complete transformation part now I give you so. So bye.